I think this is the beauty of neurodiverse people. We're like the canaries um, in the cave or the mine tunnel, wherever it is they're sent. And we are we have this very highly sensitive um, nervous system, and we can instantly tell when we go into a place, whether it's in alignment with us, and if it's not, the alarm bells, they go off, and they are loud and they are disruptive, to the point where we can't we can't be in a place, we can't be around certain people, we can't do certain things, we can't live in a world that isn't in alignment. And I think that's becoming more and more prevalent in the world. You can see it. There are so many people that are not able to function in normal, quotes, normal society, because it isn't in alignment with how we are meant to live as human beings. And it's becoming harder and harder, or more and more obvious, that we aren't in alignment as the human race. This isn't how to live life, to be in a 9 to 5 job, kids in school all day, living for the weekend, jacked up on caffeine, having to calm using alcohol. None of these things are working anymore, and I think it's so obvious to everybody that things need to change, and that change has to happen from within. It doesn't happen externally, it happens from within, and the changes then ripple outwards. So it's time to start tuning into your own energy, noticing when you're around certain people, things, music, food, places, and really tuning into how that feels within you, because your energy, your frequency will let you know once you are able to start tuning in. So come back to the breath, come back into the present moment, really tune in to your own energy, and it will guide you.